Hello, fellow faculty. I am Rebecca Cooney, Clinical Associate Professor of Strategic Communication at the Edward R. Murrow College of Communication. As a university professor for the past 8 years, it has been my goal to produce engaging, instructive, informative, and meaningful curriculum for the more than 120 students I teach each semester. I believe that students learn by doing and seek to provide them with valuable experiential learning opportunities, assignments that apply real-world scenarios, and a safe space within the learning environment where they can explore, try, fail, and adjust as part of their personal and academic advancement. Students achieve success in my classroom when they are able to work independently and collaboratively, express excitement when taking on a new challenge, demonstrate tenacity and commitment to the task at hand, and validate their own potential through engagement, growth, and follow-through. Over the years, my most successful students are the individuals willing to put themselves out there and network with their peers, alumni, professional contacts, and partner organizations, taking the skills they learn in the classroom and applying them to new interactions and relationships. Implementing a plan is a daily commitment to your own personal success. As faculty, it is how we model purpose and drive our students. Join us as we discuss your plan at AOI's faculty-led workshop.